Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make elephant toothpaste using potassium iodide. This experiment is a fantastic way to observe a rapid chemical reaction. We'll be using hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, and potassium iodide to create a spectacular foamy eruption. Remember, safety first. Always wear your goggles and gloves to protect yourself during the process. Let's gather our materials and get ready for some scientific fun. Now, let's prepare our main reactant. Carefully measure 100 milliliters of 30% hydrogen peroxide and pour it into a clean, empty plastic bottle. For a more visually appealing eruption, add about 10 drops of your favorite food coloring directly into the peroxide. Give the bottle a gentle swirl to ensure the color is evenly distributed. Place your bottle in a large tray or basin to catch the impressive foam that's about to erupt. Next, we'll introduce the element that makes our toothpaste foamy. Add approximately 10 milliliters of liquid dish soap directly into the hydrogen peroxide solution. Swirl the bottle very gently to mix the soap without generating too many bubbles prematurely. In a separate small cup, dissolve 10 grams of potassium iodide in 50 milliliters of warm water. Stir this solution thoroughly until all the potassium iodide crystals have completely dissolved, creating a clear liquid. The moment of truth has arrived. With your safety goggles securely on, quickly pour the entire potassium iodide solution into the bottle containing the peroxide and soap. Stand back and watch the incredible reaction unfold. You'll see a massive column of foam rapidly erupting from the bottle, resembling a giant tube of toothpaste. This reaction is exothermic, so the foam will feel warm to the touch. Enjoy the spectacular display of chemistry in action.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.